What if I told you that you could turn a single branch into a brand new plant? Using nothing but water and a plastic bag. Rosemary, figs, grapevines, lemons, even tomatoes. This one simple technique works on almost all of them. Once you learn it, you'll never buy seedlings again. Let's get into it. Rosemary. Start by cutting a few healthy rosemary branches, about 20 to 30 centimeters long. Cut as many as the number of new plants you want. Strip the leaves or needles off the bottom 10 centimeters. That bare section is where the roots are going to form. Fill a small bag with plain rainwater, or add a rooting hormone if you want to speed things up. Then slide the leafless end of the cutting into the bag so it sits in the water. Seal it around the stem with a tie. Repeat for every cutting, then set them somewhere warm, out of direct sunlight. In 4 to 8 weeks, you'll have fully rooted rosemary, ready to transplant into pots. Figs. Figs use an even more surprising version of this method. You don't select a healthy fig branch, wrap the same water-filled bag around it while it's still attached, and seal it. In under 4 weeks, figs actually root faster than rosemary. Once you see roots forming, you've got a brand new fig plant, perfect for growing more, gifting, or even selling. Grapevines. For grapevine cuttings, skip the bag and use plastic cups filled with water instead. It takes a bit longer, but the results are just as strong. Once rooted, these can go straight into the ground outdoors. Lemons. Lemon cuttings can root the same way too. But if you want a lemon tree that actually produces fruit like a mature tree, you'll eventually need to graft it. That's a bigger topic for another video. Tomatoes. And finally, tomatoes. One of the easiest plants to root this way. Those side shoots you prune out from between the stem and branch during tomato maintenance, don't throw them away. Just place the cut end in a container of water, keeping a good portion submerged. Roots develop in just a few weeks, giving you fresh seedlings ready to plant directly into the ground. Perfect for a late-season tomato crop. This simple method can save you real money on seedlings all season long. If this helped you, hit that like button, tap follow, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next video. Thanks so much for your support. See you in the next video on Root Any Branch with one simple technique.